What were mammals doing during the time of the dinosaurs? Most of us think of little shrew-like or mouse-sized creatures running around the feet of the dinosaurs. But in fact, there were all kinds of body plans and types of mammals in all kinds of environments. There were flying squirrel-like animals, there were creatures like beavers who could swim underwater, and there were meat-eaters the size of wolverines that ate baby dinosaurs. Hi, my name is James Gurney. I'm an illustrator for Scientific American, and I want to show you what the mammals look like during the time of dinosaurs. Now, to start off, I've filled my drawing table with photos of a lot of living mammals, small mammals, to give you some ideas for a basic look. And then I'm going to use these watercolor pencils and brush pens so that I can start drawing some quick thumbnail sketches to show the art director. The art director asked me to design both a cover and an inside title spread. I use watercolor, colored pencils, and gouache to do a lot of quick ideas based on some of the animals that are mentioned in the article. I take a look at the scientific papers to get ideas for what's known about these animals. Here's an anteater who I imagine being up in a tree to protect it from predators when it's not actually eating on the ground. And here's a beaver-like animal at the very end of the reign of dinosaurs, eating some of the earliest late Cretaceous grasses. Here's a much earlier mammal in a more dynamic pose than we usually see him. Here's a monkey-like animal actually after the dinosaurs were over in a tree. And I'm imagining him lit by the flash of a camera at night. And I do one more sketch to develop Castorocauda, the small beaver-like animal that could swim underwater. And this gives another sense of what mammals might be capable of that's different from our assumptions. This is a cover sketch done in casein on illustration board. The idea with all these preliminary sketches is to do them loose and fast, but still have a finished effect in mind, to give the editors, the art director, and the scientists something to push back on.